How to fix Google Meet microphone not working on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get your mic back up and running during calls. First, go to your home screen, long press the Google Meet icon, tap App Info, then head to Permissions. After that, find Microphone from the list and make sure it's set to Allow. If it's turned off, go ahead and enable it. From there, reopen Google Meet and jump into a call to check if the microphone is working now. Right here, if it's still not picking up audio, go back to App Info and tap Force Stop, then reopen the app and test again. At this point, open the Play Store, search for Google Meet, and install any available update. Moving on, if the mic is still not working, long press the Google Meet icon, tap App Info, then head to Storage and tap Clear Cache. Following this, reopen the app and check if the issue is resolved. From here, if nothing has worked so far, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears and tap Restart. Finally, once your device boots back up, open Google Meet and test the microphone again. In most cases, this fully resolves the issue. And that's it. If this guide helped you fix the Google Meet microphone on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.